online job for students to earn money. So if you want the online jobs for students to earn money, then first you need to go with a website which is Freecash. Go with freecash.com. You can log in easily using your Google or your Facebook account, or you can also choose to sign up manually with your email and a password. That's easy to remember. Once registered, Freecash will ask you for a few onboarding questions. Just answer them honestly. And don't forget to select the device you're currently using. Now you will enter the Freecash homepage, a dashboard full of earning opportunities. These are tasks from trusted partners that pay you for actions like testing apps, watching videos, or completing surveys. You can choose a task that suits you and click on Pay and Earn. A QR code will pop up. Scan it with your phone to continue the task on your device. After completing it, your earnings will be added to your account. To withdraw, you can tap on Cash Out menu. You'll see various payout options like PayPal, Visa, or crypto, including Bitcoin as well, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. You can pick your method and then tick the confirmation boxes and hit withdraw. You will also have the application if you want to. You can go with Google Play or your App Store and then search for Freecash Earn Money, and you'll be able to install the application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.